Hello everyone. We are here to test another planet view with our 4.5 inch telescope. This is a space launcher 114 mm, and we are trying to capture Venus in its crescent phase right now with space launcher 114 mm telescope and a smartphone. This has 900 mm focal length, and we're using a smartphone OnePlus 11 5G. So you can see how beautifully the crescent phase of Venus can be seen. It looks like a crescent moon, but you can see how beautiful it is. And we are capturing this from Chennai right now, and I'm using the slow motion now. Just bring it down, and because of the azimuth part, I will adjust a bit because of the high magnification. So right now using 4 mm eyepiece, and on top of that I have done a 2x of optical zoom. So this is the planet Venus. You can see how beautiful. Generally, when Venus is best captured when it is supposed to be in the crescent phase. So yeah, that's Venus for everyone. And by the way, this is Neeraj here, and I'm capturing this beautiful planet Venus, the brightest planet of our solar system. Should I say the hottest planet, and it's right now an evening star. We're capturing this on 2nd of February. It's a Sunday here, and yeah, crescent moon is also up there in the sky, just above Venus. And yeah, this is a beautiful shot. We've lowered down the exposure to get the detailed crescent phase better. So I have lowered the shutter speed and the ISO so that I can get this shape very clearly, because otherwise Venus is actually a very overexposed planet. So you don't get much detail unless you lower down the exposure. So yeah, this is Venus for everyone. I'm repeating this for space launch 114 mm, and we are using 4 mm eyepiece. And so if I say approximately, this should be around, let's say 450x right now, because of 4 mm eyepiece will give us 225x, and I've used 2x of digital zoom here on the app. So this is, so I have constantly have to adjust. I'm using both azimuth and the slow motion now for the altitude. I'll try to zoom a bit more. I don't know, let's try with something around 4x. So this is approximately 4x. Yeah, and you can see how big the Venus appears. It's slightly windy, and focal length is very high, magnification is very high, so you get that shake. But yeah, we'll try our best again to get it back to the center. It's a very difficult job to keep it in the center. You need a very, very stable hand. So hopefully now it should come. I've done the framework. Yeah, that's Venus entering. Yeah, so it's entering now. Yeah, now it will get better. Yeah, so that you can see it's getting better and better. I'll center it slightly more. Yeah, this is Venus. Yeah. This is 4x digital zoom on the phone. So it's very promising. Venus looks very promising. Shape is quite distinct, the crescent phase of Venus. So we have to know that it is moving both in altitude as well as azimuth. So that's why we have to constantly move. I will not say move, I'll say just nudge. Otherwise you will not get this in the center of the frame. So yeah, so thank you all. So this was Venus. I want every one of you, whoever has this equipment or has similar aperture and focal length equipment, you may give it a try. If you have 114 by 900 any other equipment,